guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change the language in your GoCardless account. So to do that, first of all, you need to be in your home page and then just find settings over here. Tap on it and then you need to open the user settings. Scroll a bit down and then finally you'll see the language preference over here, and right below you can just select any language that you want. You can only change the language to either English, Dutch, France or Espanol, which is the Spanish language. So guys, tap on any language that you want. You can either choose this one or this one and then just tap on Save Changes. And you can see that it has been changed to French. So if you found this video helpful, then please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.